Welcome to The Short End, a collection of AudioKidsBooks. Welcome to the world of reading from Disney Junior, level pre-1. Marvel, Spidey and his amazing friends in superhero Hiccups. Meet the characters and synopsis. Alright, our characters are Spidey, Ghost Spider, Miles, and Green Goblin. And here's the synopsis. Green Goblin is on the loose. He plans to steal the Power Sword and use its magic to do whatever he wants. Spidey, Ghost Spider, and Miles must catch the villain. But Miles has hiccups that make his powers go wild. Can he get them under control to stop the Green Goblin? Spidey and Miles are superheroes. Someone set off an alarm at the library. Miles sees Green Goblin's glider. He must be inside. Miles can turn invisible. He will sneak up on the Green Goblin. Spidey and Miles head inside. Miles sees the Green Goblin reading a book. Green Goblin reads about a legendary warrior, the Pumpkin King. Green Goblin wants the Pumpkin King's Power Sword. It can destroy anything. The heroes try to stop the Green Goblin, but Miles has hiccups. Green Goblin throws pumpkin pranks. Miles tries to whip a web, but he hiccups again. Green Goblin leaves to find the Power Sword. Miles thinks his hiccups ruined everything, but Spidey says it's okay. Spidey says, when a plan doesn't go my way, I just try something else to save the day. Miles feels better. We must find the Power Sword before Goblin does, Miles says. Spidey takes a picture of the book Goblin was reading. Maybe they will find a clue. The heroes go to Web Quarters. Ghost Spider looks for clues. Can she find the Power Sword? But Miles still has hiccups. He almost zaps his friends with his arachno sting. Ghost Spider finds the Power Sword. It is at the museum. Miles wants to stay. He thinks his hiccups will cause trouble. But even with his hiccups, Miles can still help. The team goes to the museum. They will get the Power Sword before Green Goblin does. The heroes get the sword, but Green Goblin takes it. Miles still has hiccups, but he must save his friends. Miles uses his invisibility power to pretend to be a ghost, and his hiccups cause him to zap again. Green Goblin is very afraid. He thinks it's a real ghost. Green Goblin drops the sword. Miles takes the Power Sword. Miles frees his friends with the Power Sword. Green Goblin tries to escape, but the Spidey team catches him in their webs. The Spidey team wins, and Miles' hiccups are gone. But now Green Goblin has hiccups. Sorry, Goblin. This has been The Short End, a collection of audio kids books. Thanks for watching.